This might be the easiest digital side hustle you'll come across in 2025. And if you're in your 40s, 50s, or beyond, it could be exactly what you've been looking for. Hi, I'm Lori. A few years ago, I had to resign from my teaching job because of a chronic illness. We were feeling the financial pressure. Then a couple of years ago, our 4 kids moved out, and I suddenly found myself an empty nester. After 25 years of raising a family, I felt lost. I wanted to contribute financially again, but I wasn't sure what that could look like. So I started researching online business models. I tried Etsy, Amazon KDP, and even freelance writing, but everything felt like it required too much time for too little return. What I really wanted was something I could do on my own schedule, something I could learn step by step, something simple and scalable. And I finally found it. It's called the Freedom Blueprint, and it's part of the easiest digital side hustle I've come across in over a decade of searching. No product creation, no chasing friends or family, no tech overwhelm, just a digital education system with master resale rights and automation built in, so you can start earning while you learn. You can make up to $900 a day working about 2 hours daily. Let me walk you through why this system stood out to me and why it might help you too. The first reason is you don't need to create anything from scratch. The website, the funnel, and the email sequence are already built. It's plug and play. So if you're someone who's busy or not just sure where to start, this is a game changer. You're learning real skills. You're able to share the exact system with others and earn 100% profit when they buy through your link. That means no shipping, no customer service headaches, and no extra software fees. The second reason is it's built for automation. Automation was a huge selling point for me. As someone who lives with a chronic illness, my energy is limited. But with automation, my content can do the heavy lifting. The emails, the follow-up, the education, it's all working in the background. And it's not just me. There are people in their 40s, 50s, and beyond doing this successfully, even if they've never sold anything online before. The third reason is it teaches you in-demand digital marketing skills. Digital marketing is one of the fastest growing industries, but unlike most courses that charge thousands just to teach you theory, this one gives you a real product to earn from while you learn. It's the perfect balance of education and opportunity. And once you understand how it works, you can apply these principles to other services too. You're building a skill set that can last you for years. If you're someone who's ever thought, I wish I had more time with my family. I need something that works with my schedule, not against it. I want to make money from home without starting over. This might be the fresh start you've been looking for. And maybe, just maybe, it's the answer you've been praying for. So what is this digital side hustle? It's a done-for-you digital education program with master resale rights and a full automation system. Once you're in, you get immediate access to a step-by-step video training, a ready-to-go website and funnel, an automated email sequence, live support, and a private community, and yes, 100% of every sale you make goes to you. This is why I call it the Freedom Blueprint, because it's helping people move from stuck and stressed to confident and clear. No matter your age, background, or tech level, this is something you can learn and build with a phone, Wi-Fi, and 1 to 2 hours a day. If you're ready to get started, I'd love to send you the blueprint. Just drop yes in the comments and I'll send you the details. And if you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe because I'm sharing everything I learn as I go. You're not too late, you're not too old, and you don't have to figure this out alone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.